Your AC talks to you before it fails. Here's how to translate. Hissing or bubbling, that's usually a refrigerant leak. Turn the system off and call us, because running low on refrigerant can take out your compressor, and that's the most expensive part in the whole system. Grinding or screeching, that's a motor's bearings or a belt on the way out. Caught early, it's a simple repair. Ignored, it can take other parts with it. Rapid clicking at startup, usually electrical, often a capacitor. It's one of the most common and most affordable fixes there is, if you handle it before the part dies completely. The pattern here is simple. Weird noises caught early are small repairs. Weird noises ignored become replacements.